was no kokroko na mane ne wa faase no nyina nsem esoa na ne sa adwuma kroya enka ne opani a wono etu franka edima NPP amanyoko bekasa wase na church for penny edima NPP lawyer Justin Kodua Frempong enso ebegina simpie ni apaso ne nkasa yemu na okache Ghana fo nyina se ne ra wo ne huye pa ewo se NPP boabo mo ho de na ase sonko kra abema Ghana fo se ne twedi amponyankopon bo mo ho ban na efi 2023 ba 2024 ekokoto aba basa ye biansi ewo se wo madi ntwodie na nso ntwo ne se de tie bia no wo magye ade atum wase ade ba akwa ne ra ho ne ho pa ene se ye da sori anopetutu a her ladyship Gertrude Tokonu ene yesekrata nie kona kwatena nchen kosise committee ayate ye omu hwehwem ne bewie eno se Ghana fo mo wo ho ene monkasa se Ghana fo ni wode a na so bia se wakana no atum dia ene Ghana Bar Association mon sorry na monka ncho mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say ne wo ye ne na momra kwanso ne wo ye ne ntwaye ebeye ye dia ene estia no ba bia wachim ede akwakohwe bia no wonre se obesan chim stia no ede asi ekwansom lawyer Justin Kodua Frempong say baby akeka kwane de ho bumu pa na adesede ba ko na osan ede ato Ghana fo nyina anim se wosono ma wosono na wosono wo faase wosono so anom ne wo ma wosono hu ni nyina wosram wo bia nyina brane na sa thank you to na wo mo kono wo mo ne Ghana fo nkasa na beye yi a 2028 ne tie bia no omompam NDC amanyuko emfi abenwa ne so na NPP ensan emra Justin Kodua Frempong ne nsemni
Republic, an independent organ, the judiciary was attacked to the extent that the Chief Justice of the Republic had been suspended by the sitting president, something that has never happened under this fourth republic. And as a party, we are using this medium to show our displeasure about the action of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. This is not the democracy Ghana wishes for. And as a country that has gone through several elections, there should be progression, not retrogression. The action by His Excellency President Mahama is not just absurd, but also repugnant and unconstitutional. More so when we know a petition has been filed at the Supreme Court challenging the very process. At least, the President should adhere to the rules and principles of the law by allowing the due process to follow before he can even carry on with the politically motivated activity. At least, the law should speak first. We are on this medium calling on the civil society, particularly Ghana Bar Association, to come out to condemn the action of His Excellency President Dramani Mahama. But we can also assure you, as a political party, the New Patriotic Party will continue to offer a responsible and constructive criticism to the NDC government. Very soon, the 100 days will be over, and us as a New Patriotic Party will do a press conference to let Ghanaians know the true state of the economy and the true state of our nation. To our supporters, to Ghanaians who were disappointed with us as a party, as a government, because of certain inactions and actions of our party and our government, we have heard you, and as a party, we are reflected on everything that happened during our tenure of office. We know we did our best in terms of infrastructure, in terms of policies, but we didn't get everything right. So to everyone who hears us, who watches us, on behalf of the National Party, we want to say we are sorry for the disappointment that we had. But we can assure you that we have learned our lessons, and the restructuring that is going to happen in our party will make sure that the New Patriotic Party comes back on the right road, and in 2028, when by God's grace we give us the mantle all the wrongs that were made will be corrected for us to have a better government under the leadership of a flag bearer that we will select. So on this note, I'll end by assuring the staff at this office that we need to work together as a team. There is so much work to be done. All of us here are not perfect. In one way or the other, you might have offended your sister or your brother. But as a mark of showing unity and reconciliation, just look at the person sitting on your right, on your left, and tell the person, for the sake of unity, if you have really sinned against me, I have forgiven you. And that is going to be the headline for our talk. The thank you talk, the reconciliation talk, the unity talk. So thank you very much, and I welcome.
Anyhow, see ya church for penny dema NPP Amanyoko, lawyer Justin Kodia Frempong. Na if you know better to say melody and come back kwa Ghana, mantra baby a yedia, and no copium ewa court a horona, and why ye di me ankasa me kofa Supreme Court and the Supreme Court, a hodi High Court, a hodi Circuit Court, the District Court, a horoni nina ayedi. Nina ni sa oba penny and ne Ghana ye ka atemwe jana na wano edanom. Chief Justice Ladyship Gertrude Araba Isaba Saki Tokonu Yamane Krata se wantenan chen kosi se ehwemu mapa a committee ayate eye benum badweko won be ye hwehwemu awie na enkrata ahoro nkrofo de koma mampani mo mampani wo so e de koma Council of State se muntena se na mo hwehwem ensuo bi wo mu nyina so bi wo mu a na asemwe Ghana fo lawyer fo kukudam wo bi a kire na dwen Ghana fo nyina so da na mo lawyer fo wo bi a kire na dwen na case ba kwa ye taika ho asem pa the Republic versus Ejechum na Ejechum case wo koka akokekeka na akwa article 146 Clause 6 na Ghana yama mra 1992 constitution no eno na wo bia ekam na efi nrabra akrate eba abonten so wo bia eka se Chief Justice na yesi onkotena nchen na wotena nchen na wie na committee na dwuma no ye wie na yesi ma me oho son a ye be sand na adwa na ma ne bio ana se ye betua mpatasika bi dia ma no ye nkwai edu mrem na ye koye chi nso akohwe abakosemu pade a ene lawyer ni mapa eye lawyer anoche Frempong nachi obi a nheda kura ni wobiem kansa mame mu adwo emu akwaba mi se ba bia wo bia wo ho ye de
no ye no we what page me di me CD say na me nyam wo sa wo
what dratra na wo starting o ma fa pen ne paper eba betwro eye nose thesis ene nkrofo eba besua de afiri ho enti mame page ansi wa na ye ken suspension krata ne de Chief Justice me ji se ne nsaka ene meje di pass wa medwuma emra no sen potin ene ka no eno ane de o mampani aye
bacho ye tie ne se emra no se ne na wa odi wa no ebubo oboso article 146 clause 6 ena Ghana ni bia na dia article 146 ya kama sabe ya makra wo preparatory schools no na de omo abetane a lawyer for na me gidi se wo mu bia sabe yenyini ya kura FRC time June 4 1979 I believe say na magi 15 years ni kai pa until 31st December asa if my would die a course or mind we say we titinu ya maamenom emma yensemi na nipa betumi de na no aka na minimisa wati bebre ene asikafo anye boni bia wo wiase o obi a wose na nimenya nesika yeso ye kalabulo ye dan yetumi ti ku da bia no wo hu se sojafo aba obituo da bia amba obituo da bia yesi be de curfew ebegu obi adwuma titi concert ani na Ghana ade afa ne concert now better na kwabo ade abobo ha yamwes city boys African brothers nyame better concert curfew le gu no because your boss say so bia eda e wo mai we say mu a pretend say ye wirefi na ne nyame charge the chief justice na woni nyi no ho a wo pese wo feel ho a ye ntwitwio ye ntwema One is a would declare Takoma president. Bisa Husanka, one of wine, no better to do runners and Michikate name. Nka one wine, the word the champion of Finifakutoka and in Nadia na Kwame Nkrumah, and na what you pen and paper, now what your cat to me could do a bankasium, the president, the Aquaco Dane, Council of State, actually, to the chili. I mean, who any year your press conference, na say democracy in the afternoon to plan and no, we are missing a missing woman. Democracy in the fena a year too much, let's say. Constitution, you can't take it to where the mouse said Kaya. Within a matter of 1 hour, we can and all the Achakra we lazy 3 hours. No, I can into a skeleton. No more cases in no court. Petitions are APP, commissions of inquiry. I yet it is a woman to share no more a year based on the Constitution. One some another decisions, any rulings, any orders, any judgments, I bet PMO Abano. And you find the president. A manasa may be near the atom near Queen, near the Constitution, a mini. Constitution here since 1992. A BC that say I said that test Article 140 and they push into a Brahma Constitution, no, and unit. So, this one Chief Justice, and you okay. You do wonder why you did to say a year. Who won't be over, Madam Ghana for the Emperor's Masania. The better pretend this said the Atu or ya. And so, who Korea, no more strict chain, I shall you see one night. No more drill, it is a white day, I would say. Would you one day, I judge for any idea, me catch your play, sir. Omo ekumu kokwari anu omo ebom paye se ye nominate won tentem no muso nko enkofa akunya no bebre kwa mo no wu bisa me assembly sisi ye si won tenasi and say a rule of procedure say position bia wo no ya tro say yan tro si ya hwehwe won samumu a because of rule be a natural justice inti esa wo tenasi natural justice when as a Chinese CCR is fairly saying, yeah, come once a media. A man must not be a judge in his own seat. So why make Chief Justice not anti-Nazi? No, that's here. Chief Justice, the meaning is that as the substantive Chief Justice of Ghana. And to take you a judge for me, no. I'm not sure that is almost as young. I would name into judge, that's in your one penny. Now, Momo, you see Gina Baby Kakra near the acting Chief Justice of the SEO. In that case, when you one penny view, it is psychologically when you are Omu and slow, a beam. So I'm an anti-Nazi. No, that's your Chief Justice. What about Sapua Mine and yes, you do a Omu Bashisha or no name? Next week, on us, 7 letters. Some person who call Australia and say Birmingham, acquire a DB. The Magana judiciary. Are you saying it's Ombakwa and I say, Womunko, or Kasa Watumra and I say, Watumra, Jinan Mema instruction. Thirdly, when you know in China, office who Abba and Semon, that office, a part of the evidence, a part of the evidence. Be a cat, be a show, be a Sikasem, uncle, ye be a chow. Family accountant will be used to office, I hear you won't a juma. Into what's an China? Your friend, I will call you do with Obi. Your friend, I would ask you one penny. Now go to accountant now. I say, my lord, no slow. What's not a sedia? A juma cost will cheap piano. Slow any beer in him. Nasania Yakano. A year I send a Watsona into a Chief Justice of Ghana suspended. And the Ashishan some mumu every year. Now you wish and who saw or differ. Your acting Chief Justice, but at the moment they will senior, no, I think it's bad for money. Now you're packing the Manakwatana, the baby. No, I mean about Betsana, the Konyamu abuse. Unfortunately for her, the Coco Bounce said, Mameno, the default, they said, or coffee. And then now, Bafubani, yes, so big and well, no be any one. Enti free samre na kwasi da ye be chief justice for front. And say be ye busu means you said na ba fo boni da so ye n'edwuma. E so aban na ni no answer ya confirm no. Ti na make say nye obi a na ye ne ya sa. Enti sa na timpa cho ne adru ni de ne adru no. Mo me ye mo aban no abaso. Say ne so di ye adwuma biara. Odi aye adwuma. Nti wo mo e ka say judicial coup d'etat no me pa cho. Kudita umumiantias a French word in Abeka English. I said as a surprise change of government. Idea surprise. Here in our Article 146. In the idea, there's surprise. Number 2, politicization. Idea na president are politicizing. Yes, will be the petition bar. Akoma Council of State. Saying you know, when you know, you can put a custom prima facie. And no margin here one say, you know, a woman, Ampara. Instead of the command, I mean, a bit more how I dear to. Instead of you know, and I was setting up committee not setting up. Yes, 1 year, my member before the answer. Non far a lawyer, judge from penny for Mienu and Fanka. Mienu no balance. That's a poor mind. Or no Mahama, the first term, no, and no, judge of the Supreme Court of Ghana. Just as I see a Miami classmate. And also, I know Kufuado, I see just about a year ago. And no, the friend is a justice of the Supreme Court. Into a balance in the camera. You know, year, and near your friend is saying, Nana Kufuado, a year. Into near question and one. And then, my men were here, the Nassabano, Mesro, on your magistrate. And now 1 year a circuit court judge, 1 year high court judge, Mr. Wa, your Supreme Court judge Dada, and the Yasan the Chief Justice into a real aquadre of Brenum. The BA is in the coin say, Bessie Sabre, they identify who the actor from another BB one as a president here, 1 year and Kobeya quiet in Go Ye Dida, because by now they are Supreme Court. And I'm ready to answer, says, if you shall win some more, Uko Court a year well. Yes, show me, Mr. BB, I'm quite or 2 minutes or Koshisha Tentene. Court. Into to the extent is on what dinner 1 year Sadian. Now, no movie. Unfortunately, I'm quite CPP for Unquire National Union of Ghana Students and our TUC and our Christian Council and our Chief Imam Office. Let's say acquire identifiable political party. One in your position at the NBC for a court, you can say a crazy. And now almost a time near the Mammy Miss Remo. So, your press conference, open their politicizing at the end, because my main office in any political position. The politician be your press conference as opportunity. Judiciary now would do one also my no more bobblan. One more problem on my press conference in Ghana for that you want to say, because my men are catching up and no. They are mourning more than they bereaved. Lastly, every case in the they call court. And judge Nekoto president so ankoye neutral lawyers share just lawyer Dami our NPP attorney general and MP for Swano NPP MP Daku and NPP MP for Ota for Swano as a force one. The part of we identifiable NPP for Sankaye neutral or we need to say other lawyers are Yenim party Dianko one could be great amawo. In this NPP lawyers the case in court stop for president from performing his constitutional work. Now NPP as a party no so yet your friend is a press conference to support you man. Wabra mameno one more baby ogina and when the machine munida and no one right to the choice of a lawyer. And the Supreme Court in Casa actually promote to me now. Into no more year and say or maybe in Asla one so munya. Nayama attention and I of course say. I'm starting to make a canina, Yakasada, Sawoda, a Siguyo, 1 year we can see with the near Babu near Ku, see or Memla, 90 Serbium, none less, a bit in a classic court to make sure let a cocoa do president war, no a setting up committee, no mere more and Semuma or my Ghana, near Mompai said no, not a better was. No moment I'm sure you're not party be a year press conference. One supporters and the by Jennifer, and this is what yet I will find with you. And no never to make the trouble at the above minimum. Yen you can't tell so many. Na mammy no even talk.
So, and some Nina, some catch us what you will be anyhow. Now, as a on Shadan Tiasse, near YHS, what you will be anyhow. But Facebook never said them for Boa Basso, as some Nina and our bonnet boa, Okosro, Eba from Kobin Kumko Nifa, and I deceive Finfin watch a telepono. Wa was answering upon a kama. Ma yena was a near fancia. Ghana for what's in your canasa into a BFA. A Chiroquoia press conference. O may be the money a chilling in a was some watch someone sign. As a more person quiet exercise the quiet. Name say a CJ pa who the modia, Mijidi sound before a footun. My ear no was in the infancia. Openi any din komo a lawyer and not a friend Paul. And they said the Facebook for money too. And a tray or honor who say and come bono. And why the major is a West Yard that you are inquiring any man.
Any abusua my ensamre fie san se Ghana say dudu.